Ngayon ay magsasagot naman tayo ng mga parabola sa conic sections. Yung una nating problem is hahanap tayo ng standard equation at saka general equation ng parabola given yung minimum point at saka yung point doon sa parabola. Now, sa pagsagot ng conic sections, mas magiging madali yung pagsagot natin or pag-compute ng problem sa conic sections kung gagamit tayo ng graphing paper. Kasi yung graphing paper, mag-guide siya sa atin kung paano natin hahanapin yung mga parts ng parabola at kung paano nag-open yung parabola. Tulad ng problem number 1, we're here to find the equation ng parabola. So, kailangan natin nakita yung itsura ng graph ng parabola para malaman natin yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, let's fold yung graphing paper natin para mas organize yung work natin. So, yung information na binigay sa atin, yung minimum point, which is negative 2,6, at it passes through the point 2,8. So, kung isi-sketch natin yung graph natin, mas makikita natin yung itsura ng parabola natin. Lalakihan ko yung gilid kasi yung point natin is at 8. So, ito yung ating guide dun sa parabola. So, yung given sa atin is yung minimum at negative 2,6. 1, 1, 2, negative 2, positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6, and this is negative 2. At ito yung minimum point. At yung minimum point natin, ibig sabihin, yung parabola natin, it will open upward kasi yung parabola na nag-open upward lang ang merong minimum point. At kung ang parabola naman ay nag-open downward, meron tayong maximum point as our vertex. So it's safe to say na yung minimum point na given sa ating problem will be our vertex. So yung given pang information sa atin is it passes through the point 2,8. So 2,8 is 1, 2. 8 is here. So nagpapass through this point daw yung parabola. So kung isi-sketch natin yung parabola natin, it's going upwards with minimum points at the vertex. So ito yung itsura ng ating parabola. Ang hahanapin na lang natin is yung standard equation. Now, alam natin na meron dalawang equations ang parabola. Yung unang equation is x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. At yung pangalawa naman is y minus k squared equals 4p x minus h. At kung ang parabola nyo ay nag-open upward or downward, pipiliin nyo yung equation number 1. At kung ang parabola ay nag-open sideways, pipiliin nyo yung equation number 2. At since yung equation number 1, yung nagtutugma dun sa ating parabola, yun ang gagamitin nating formula. X minus h squared. At dito sa formula na to, makukuha natin yung value ng p by substituting the value of x, y mula sa point. So, ito yung ating xy. At yung vertex, yung ating hk. 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 So, by direct substitution, yung x natin magiging 2 minus h, which is negative 2, squared equals 4p, y is 8, minus k, which is 6. So from here, sisimplify na lang natin yung formula para makuha natin yung value ng p, para makuha na natin yung equation ng parabola. So 2 plus 2 squared, 4p, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So we have 2 plus 2, which is 4 squared, equals 8p. So pag dinivide natin siya by 8, ang p natin is 16 divided by 8 is 2. So yung p natin, nakuha na natin. So ang gagawin natin, susulat uli natin yung equation ng parabola para makomplete na natin yung ating equation. This time, hindi na natin isa-substitute yung value ng x at yung value ng y. Ang papalitan naman natin ngayon would be h, p, at saka yung k. So, ang equation natin would be x minus yung value ng h natin is negative 2 equals 4. Yung p natin is 2. Y minus k, which is 6. So by simplifying it, we have x plus 2 squared equals 8 y minus 6. At ito ngayon yung ating standard form. Now, to find the general form, ang gagawin lang natin is isi-solve natin to at isi-simplify natin yung ating equation. Now, to write the general form, expand natin si x plus 2 squared. Distribute natin si 8. 8 times 6 is 48. And then, expanding x plus 2 will give us x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 8y minus 48. Equating it to 0, so mag-a-add tayo ng 48 at subtract ng 8. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 8y plus 48 equal to 0. So, yung general form natin, by combining like terms, we can add 4 and 48 will give us x squared plus 4x minus 8y plus 52. At ito yung ating general form. At dun sa susunod natin mga parts, para makuha nyo yung focus at saka yung directrix, yung focus natin from the vertex will be 8 units up at saka 8 units going down. So yun yung paghanap ng ating focus. So to complete our work, our focus will be at negative 2. Since yung vertex natin is at 6, you count 8 units up, so 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. At yung directrix natin would be from the vertex, you will count 8 units going down. So 6 minus 8 is negative 2. So ito yung ating directrix. Y equals negative 2 kasi nagpass siya to the y-axis. At ito yung ating complete analysis for problem number 1. For problem number 2, we have vertex at 3, 2 and focus at 4, 2. So tulad ng ginawa natin, let's simplify the vertex at 3, 2 at focus at 4, 2. Sketch natin yung graph natin. Once again, mas madaling magsagot ng conic section kapag nakikita natin yung ating graph. So, yung vertex is at 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. at focus at 4, 2. 4, 2. So, ito yung ating focus. Now, alam natin na yung parabola natin naging nasa loob yung focus niya. So, dito, alam na natin na yung parabola natin mag-open to the left. So, yung opening niya is to the left. At yung directrix niya, parehas ng distance ng focus. So, yung focus natin, 1 unit away from the vertex. Yung ating directrix should be 1 unit away from the vertex din. So, andito yung ating directrix. At ang directrix natin ay nagpapas sa x equal to 2. So, ito yung ating directrix. So, to write our equation, alam natin yung vertex natin is hk. At hahanapin na lang natin yung ating formula. So, since nag-open siya to the right, ang gagamitin nating formula is yung second formula, which is y minus k squared 4p x minus h. And this time, ang papalitan natin is si k at saka si h para makuha natin yung standard form. At yung value ng p natin is madali na rin makuha kasi yung p natin is distance from the vertex to the focus. At 1 unit lang siya. So yung p natin is equal to positive 1 because it's opening to the right. So, yung ating formula will be y minus k, which is 2, equals 4. Yung p natin is 1 unit. X minus h, which is 3. So, to simplify our answer, we'll have y minus 2 squared equals 4 times x minus 3. So, ito yung standard form. At yung ating general form, to solve the general form, expand natin yung ating y minus 2 squared. So, y minus 2 equals 4x minus 12. Y minus 2 is y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 4x minus 12. Now, to equate it to 0, minus 4x and plus 12 on both sides. So, we'll have y squared minus 4y plus 4 minus 4x plus 12 equals 0. So our equation will simply be y squared minus 4y minus 4x plus 12 and 4 is 16. At ito yung ating general form. So, ito yung problem number 2. For problem number 3, graph natin yung parts ng parabola. Three and 5. directrix at x equal to 9. 4, 5, 6. So ito yung directrix. So line siya passing through x equal to 9. So given this information, alam natin na yung vertex ng parabola ay middle value or midpoint ng focus at saka ng directrix. So by just counting the center of our graphing paper, makukuha na natin yung coordinate ng ating vertex, which is at 6. So yan yung ating vertex. At alam natin na yung vertex or ang parabola, pag inopen natin siya, kailangan ma-enclose na yung focus. So yung parabola natin is opening to the right. To the left. So since alam na natin yung opening ng ating parabola, alam natin na yung value ng P ng ating parabola is 1, 2, 3. 3 units. At since yung direction ng ating P is going to the left, negative yung ating P value. So, pagsulat ng formula, dalawa uli yung set ng formula natin. Ang gagamitin natin is yung y minus h squared formula. So, we have y minus h squared equals 4p x minus k. So, yung vertex natin is at 6 and 5. Ito yung ating vertex. 6 and 5. So, yung 6 and 5 natin is our h and k. So, in this case, pwede na nating isubstitute si h, si p, at saka si k by just graphing our parabola. So, our parabola is now y minus h, which is this is k. And this is h. Because yung y is to k, yung x is to h. So y minus 5 equals 4 times 3 units, negative, kasi to the left, x minus h, which is 6. So yung parabola natin is y minus 5 squared equal to negative 12 x minus 6. At ito yung standard form. At yung general form natin, y minus 5 squared is y squared minus 10y plus 25 equals negative 12x. And 12 times 6 is equal to 72, so positive 72. So by solving it, y squared minus 10y plus 25 plus 12x minus 72 is equal to 0. So our function will be y squared minus 10y plus 12x. 25 minus 72 is negative 47. At ito yung general form ng ating parabola. Now, yung last equation natin, yung vertex ng ating equation is at 0, 0. So, ito yung ating h at ito yung k. Ang directrix ay x equal to 3. So, to graph the parabola, vertex natin ay nasa gitna Ang directrix ay x equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. At ang parabola natin ay nag-open to the left. At alam natin na yung distance ng focus sa vertex ay parehas ng distance ng vertex to the directrix. So kung yung distance niya ay 1, 2, 3, meron tayong 1, 2, 3 units para sa ating focus. So ang focus natin is at 0, negative 3 for x at saka 0. So, ang ating equation ng parabola ay going to the left. So, gagamitin natin yung pangalawang formula, y minus k squared. At dito, i-replace natin yung value ng k, h, at saka p. So, we'll have y minus 0 squared equals 4p, which is negative 3, times x minus 0. So, since 0 siya, pwede natin siya i-simplify as y squared equals negative 12x. So, ito ngayon yung ating standard form. At yung general form natin would be y squared equals negative 12x plus 12x on both sides. So, y squared plus 12x is equal to 0. At ito yung general form ng ating parabola.